What's up, what's up, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Tyda Natural, and I'm back with another bomb video. Today, your girl is dropping her definition with this braid out, baby. This braid out came through for your girl, so I have no complaints. So if you want to see how your girl got this definition, then just keep on watching, because we digging into it right now. All right? So now we are starting off on sectioned hair. Now my hair is not pre-washed. Next, we're taking the Mielle's Twisting Souffle with the pomegranate and honey. And then I'm using the black castor oil, which is extra dark this time. And this is what the consistency looks like with the product, super creamy. It's not too thick, but it's a nice consistency, I would say, for 4C and 4B hair. I do have low porosity, so I feel like this cream is going to work in my favor because it's not overly thick. I think it's just right, and you will see in just a moment. So I am detangling my hair first before I even start adding the product, because you want to make sure there's no tangles. Otherwise, you are setting yourself up for failure. So you want to always make sure you detangle your hair first and dampen your hair. Okay, so now I have sectioned it down to this one little section, because you want to make sure that your sections aren't too big. Otherwise, it's going to be harder for you to get the product through the section. And it also will be a little more difficult to put a wide tooth comb or your dimming brush through a really thick part. And that will cause you to maybe break off some hair because you're trying to put too much hair into one section. So it's very important to not make your sections really too big. You want them to be just right so that you do not create any extra stress or breakage. Okay, so now I am about to apply the LOC method, which is liquid, oil, and cream. And as y'all can see, I got my new dimming brush because somebody stole my last one, if you caught my last video. Y'all, I'm telling you, this inflation got to stop. This little bitty old brush cost me $20. A brush for $20? That's pretty ridiculous. So I'm gonna hold this one close to my heart so it doesn't go anywhere. I prefer the dimming brushes over anything. I just feel like it's better with my texture. Everyone's different, but this is what I prefer on my hair. I feel like it detangles my hair much better than the other one without pulling my hair out. So I prefer the dimming brush. Okay, and then we're just going to create a braid. And I'm just going to brush the bottom and then coil it like that. All right, now we're moving on. And I am making these braids more smaller because I want to make sure that the definition really is hitting. Look at those curls, y'all. So the reason why you see me using the t-shirt, it is to remove any extra product that is left over, because I know my hair is not going to absorb all of that and it's going to end up looking like dandruff if I don't remove it. So that's why you're going to see me using my t-shirt, to remove any extra product. So I'm officially done braiding all of my hair, and I'm going to sit under the heated dryer, or the hooded dryer, and I'm going to let the styler dry in my braids, and then we will be back to take these down. I sat under there for about an hour and my hair is completely dry. It is still moisturized, but I'm going to take my argan oil, and I'm going to take this because it helps eliminate frizz and it's going to help give me a shine. I'm just going to take a little bit of this, and I'm just going to go around each braid. Let's start taking these braids down, shall we? After taking the braids down, I just gently separate them, and then I just fluff my hair with my hands. All right, guys, so I have officially taken down all the braids, and I have separated them just a little because my hair is super prone to frizz because it's so fine. So I can only separate my hair so much, or it just will be a frizz ball. So yeah, this is what the braid out is looking like. This is how it turned out. I freaking love it. This Mielle's product is so bomb. And I feel like I got way more length than I usually get when I do twist outs. So I might start doing more braid outs because I really, really like this outcome. It is so pretty. This twisting souffle, y'all, bomb. This product is everything. I really, really, really love this product, and I can't wait to use it some more. And I'm actually going to use this product again for a wash and go, because when I was applying it to my hair was really like defined, like super, super good. So I'm definitely going to try this with a wash and go. If you guys did enjoy this content, make sure you leave me a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I would love to know what you think about this definition, y'all. What do you think about the product? I really love Mielle Organics. Like, I haven't been disappointed yet with any of their products, any of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy up the whole line so that your girl can check out all of them, because they have so many different types of Mielle Organics to try. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel already, make sure you subscribe. What are you waiting for? Join the family. Let's make our natural tribe much bigger. Let's communicate and let's grow our community, and let's educate the community, because we have to educate these children. If you are struggling with your natural hair and you would like more education and a reference guide, I have created the perfect ebook for you to be successful on your natural hair journey. So the link is down below, is on pre-sale right now. So go ahead and get that. All right, I am out of here, guys. I will catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching, and you guys stay safe and be blessed. Bye.